Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a super charming story about a basket and messy clothes. Could a boring daily chore actually hold an ancient secret to pure happiness? Let's find out.
Picture total chaos. Rogue socks hiding under beds, and shirts just abandoned everywhere. An absolute mess, right?
In steps our hero, the laundry basket, promising that staying neatly together creates a clean, happy space.
The clothes actually listen and jump in. The room transforms instantly, leaving behind a super proud, smiling kid.
The clothes literally cheer in victory. They realize working together brings total peace and lasting cleanliness.
So, what's the core lesson? Neatness isn't just a chore. It directly makes our lives way happier.
Fascinatingly, this perfectly mirrors an ancient Sanskrit verse. Staying clean and organized is the literal root of happiness.
So I'll leave you with this. How are you going to organize your life for a little more happiness today?